Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to scan QR codes on WhatsApp. Whether you want to add a new contact or join a group, scanning QR code on WhatsApp is super handy. Stick around as I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Firstly, update your WhatsApp to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store. Now, in the search box, type in the app name WhatsApp and then search for it. Once the app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, launch it. Now, navigate to the Settings tab. Now, over here, you're going to find your name, and at the right corner of it, you're going to find this QR code icon. Click on that. With that, you're going to find your QR code. Now, click on the option of Scan. Your camera will open up. Now, you can go ahead and scan any QR code. So this is how you can easily scan QR code on WhatsApp. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.